Yeah, well, this is my last loop for the day. She's been a hell of a day. I've really enjoyed myself. Can't get better than this. Out with my XR, just the forest, no cars, other people with bikes, same sort of interests. Met some really nice people. Yeah, what can you say? Look, I'm sure you'd love to be on this track. It's a real blast. I don't go hard out, so I don't want to hurt myself or break the bike, but I'm still having some fun, ain't you? The old XR's still got plenty of power. She can still flick some stones, don't you? Yeah, I think this was the best model they've made actually. The 1990 is the best one. Yeah. Not into two strokes. I'm a 4-stroke guy. I like the sound of a 4-stroke. Clean burning. Nothing quite like it. Honda have the Honda King, and the XR250 is the best dirt bike in the world. There's no dirt bike that is going to be as iconic as the XR250R. Unless you've owned one, you don't know what I mean. Anyway, we're going to head back to the car park now.